Hello again guys, in this quick video I'll show you how to convert your Facebook profile to a page. Okay, first thing that you need to do is just make sure that you are connected to the internet, and once connected, just simply open your Facebook application. And once you are here in your Facebook page or Facebook profile, just simply click this profile icon and tap this three dots. And as you can see here, there is a turn on professional mode option here. Just simply tap this option. And here you are going to turn on your professional mode. Just simply tap or click this turn on button. And once you are done, you are able to set up your new profile for your professional mode. And after that, you will going to turn or convert your Facebook profile into a somewhat just like a Facebook page. Okay, that's it guys on how to convert your Facebook profile to a page. Thank you for watching, and keep subscribing and following this video channel for more video tips. Thank you guys.